we've moved our brackets a little bit. Let's see what we can do. Careful. Careful. Because nothing fits, because, you know.
Am I on the bottom? Can you see?
I can't see down there. Oh, you're over it. Now you're putting it on the back side of that brace?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so is that half the problem?
No, I actually like that idea.
Well, we might have to go to the front of it.
There you go. And then lean. Shit. Turned off, motherfucker. Okay. Now you want to go in front of it?
Yeah. Okay. Because I was on it before.
Pull
but
out. That's what she said. You come down?
Come down?
Yeah. You're way in front of it. I'm looking at the cross member. That's gonna go up and back, but you know what?
Wait.
That's pretty close. That's not horrible.
Dude.
Let me look. So the heat kept turning the damn camera off.
I hate.
So we threw the phone in the freezer like it always does. So we probably gotta come up, see where that is? We gotta come up by another inch.
Inch would be perfect.
Yeah. Or we could even notch that out. But we're not centered either, so we got to come over.
Well, can't really.
Well, that we can move. That's not a problem.
Oh, we can come over. It's just being a biatch.
If this isn't bad.
Actually, here. Scoot over real quick.
Clearance. You want me to move?
Yeah, real quick.
I'm moving.
So I'm gonna check something out here.
All right.
So I want to set this better.
Oh, there you go.
And, oh, it's the other line. This slot right here. That needs to go like straight down.
Oh, fun.
Yeah. And then
That's definitely got to go back. That's our old bracket.
well, you said about an inch.
Yeah.
So can you do me a favor and record at the same time?
I'm recording. What do we got to do?
You're gonna slide this
Slide
under.
this under just to kind of hold it up.
Yep. So we kind of get a basic idea. Okay, ready?
Yep. Don't drop the...
Oh, what is it?
Probably some other bullshit.
Oh, you know what? I bet you. All right, watch out for a second.
I don't want to hit you in the ding-ding with this.
I think I slid this out.
Oh, it's in the fucking thing. This is gonna suck.
Well, that's better than that.
I love how I got a delivery notification for UPS like an hour and a half after they dropped it off. It's like, yeah, no
Want to
shit.
slide that in there?
Oh, yeah?
No, slide the metal.
Oh, the thingy.
Yep. Because that's about an inch. Or give us a little bit of idea.
Oh, that fucking fucked up.
Oh, shit.
It gives us an idea. This is a pain in the ass.
God damn it. I need to get over it. Yeah, oh, I see. Because now that bracket's going to be too high. That's going to be a fucking pain in the ass. Well,
We gotta get... That's really close right here. I think our top is fine. I can barely get my finger between here.
yeah.
We just gotta get us up enough and then get this back. Because we get this back, it's gonna pull this away a hair.
Yeah.
But then, once we do that, then we gotta figure out our trimming for this. And we gotta figure out our mounting for this.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
You stay right there.
Yeah.
So in a general sense,
We've got an idea.
yeah. Now, probably in the morning,
Yeah.
when Scotty's around,
We'll all tag team it.
three of us can really,
Get it figured out.
yeah. So, that's
So
not
this is a big pain right now. But it's gonna work. It's just gonna take some work to get it to work.
It's just a finesse. Finesse. Oh, that's the line that goes in there.
Yeah.
Why would you make that a little bit longer to go underneath that?
Because whoever built this was stupid, remember?
Arkansas?
Louisiana.
I said Alabama earlier.
That tree does not fork for a while. Or it goes in a loop.
Yeah. Well, in a general sense, we know what we got to do. So, like I said, I'm gonna bring the rivet or the What do you
Rib
call it?
nuts.
Rib nuts, small, and the tool.
You're a rib nut tool.
Sometimes. And
I'm still thinking maybe we cut down the shroud of the fan. Get that, dude. If we get that 1/2 inch,
I think it'll be fine.
okay. But let's see. But I think if we get that 1/2 inch, that's gonna help us because we still gotta give that a home.
Well, I
And
understand
then we're
that.
gonna trim this. All right. Well, let's pull the whole assembly out for right now, because that way we can close this for the night. Because I can't get out.
I hate that, man. All right.
Because it's not like we can move this.
Come here.
No, I don't want
Yep,
it.
you're gonna have to. You're gonna have
Okay,
to
I'm gonna
take
turn this off now.